Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import Phantom Wallet to Telegram bot.
And by the way, Swissborg's got a cool sign-up bonus. You can go ahead and get up to $100 in rewards. Just gotta use the link below, either in the description or in the comments. Just click on it, scan the QR code, and they'll send you a reward card. Now going back.
All right, you actually have two ways. So first one is if you just want a token to be transferred to your Telegram wallet, you can do that. Or you can go ahead and use a bot like Trojan to import your whole Solana wallet, or basically Phantom Wallet. Okay, so first up, go ahead over to wallet right here, and then just open it up. And then you can go ahead and tap on deposit, like so. Tap on external wallet, and just copy the address right here, and send using your Phantom Wallet. Now the other option is by connecting to your Telegram bot, which in this case, we're going to be using Trojan. Okay, right here. Just look for Trojan for Solana. But what I'm going to do is just tap on a menu right here. There you go. Now go ahead and tap on wallet. Wait for it. Now go ahead and tap on import your wallet. Okay. As you can see here, you have two options, which are import seed phrase and private key. You can go ahead and select one. So for this example, I'm just going to be using import seed phrase. Okay. I'm going to tap on it. Like so. As you can see here, it says, please send your 12 or 24 word seed phrase in a single message. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on a Phantom Wallet right now. Let's go ahead and open it up. And if you don't know where to find your recovery phrase, don't worry, I'm going to teach you. Right here, go to the top left, okay, tap on your profile or account, and then tap on the pencil icon right here. Tap on show recovery phrase or private key, okay? I'm going to open up recovery phrase, tap on I understand, hit on continue, wait for it. And then of course, log in using your biometrics, and then just copy to clipboard. Tap on I understand, and go back to your Telegram bot. Now tap and hold, hit on paste, hit on send. All right. As you can see here, it says operation failed because my Phantom Wallet doesn't got any balance. Okay. It says here to unlock Trojan bot or to import your Phantom Wallet to Trojan bot, please deposit at least 2 SOL. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.